So I guess the winds were pretty high today. So I just found a group of wire repair trucks. Here's the Asplund leader. There's a truck. Now, there's enough of these things that you could just imagine when they all pull into a diner, they can clean it out. There's one. There's an Asplund truck. When they go to a gas station, they must empty the tank. There's one. And another 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 one. With a trailer. And one. Ooh, one more. Oh, here comes one. With a trailer. There's another one. There's one. One again. One more. And yeah, it's a couple more. So I might as well. There are more, but I can't stay here all night.